We will discuss laboratory preparation of hydrogen gas or how hydrogen gas can be prepared in lab. Hydrogen gas can be prepared in lab by the action of either dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid on granulated zinc. In this method, we will take few pieces of granulated zinc in a flat bottom flask and close the mouth of a flask with a cork which has got two holes in it. Through one hole we will pass a thistle funnel with a long stem. Through another hole we will fix a delivery tube. The other end of the delivery tube goes into a beehive shelf which is placed in a trough filled with water. After arranging the apparatus like this, we will pour dilute sulfuric acid into the flat bottom flask through this thistle funnel. When dilute sulfuric acid comes in contact with zinc granules will quickly react with dilute sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas will be liberated. The reaction which takes place is like this. Granulated zinc will react with dilute sulfuric acid to form ZnSO4, which is zinc sulfate, and hydrogen gas is liberated. The hydrogen gas which is produced in the reaction rises up the flat bottom flask and comes in the delivery tube and starts bubbling out from the beehive shelf. We will allow few initial bubbles of hydrogen to escape in air. Then we will quickly take a gas jar filled with water and invert it over the beehive shelf and allow the gas to collect inside the gas jar. We will see that hydrogen gas starts collecting inside the gas jar and the water level is slowly pushed down. This method of collecting hydrogen gas is called as collecting the gas by downward displacement of water. Now this method is used for collecting hydrogen gas because of two reasons. First, because hydrogen gas is almost insoluble in water. Secondly, we cannot collect hydrogen gas by downward displacement of air as it forms an explosive mixture with air. Now the hydrogen gas which is prepared by this method contains few impurities also, like arsine, phosphine, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, and water vapors. Now arsine and phosphine can be removed from hydrogen gas by bubbling the gas through silver nitrate solution. Hydrogen sulfide can be removed from the hydrogen gas by bubbling the gas through lead nitrate solution. Sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen can be removed from hydrogen gas by bubbling the gas through potassium hydroxide solution. And then we can remove water vapors or we can dry the gas by passing the gas through a drying agent like anhydrous calcium chloride. Now after removing all these impurities, the hydrogen which is obtained is completely dry and pure. Now in this reaction we have to take few precautions. The first precaution we will take is that the apparatus should be completely airtight. Second, the thistle funnel should have a long stem and the stem of the thistle funnel should remain dipped in the solution. The third is that we are not going to bring any burning flame near the apparatus as hydrogen gas produced in the reaction is inflammable in nature. And the fourth precaution is we will allow few initial bubbles of hydrogen gas to escape in air and then we will collect the gas. So this is how we are going to prepare hydrogen gas in lab.